Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make chewy nougat. First, gather your ingredients, including 2 cups of granulated sugar, 1 cup of light corn syrup, 2 large egg whites, and 1 cup of roasted nuts. Next, prepare your equipment, such as a stand mixer with a whisk attachment and a reliable candy thermometer. Make sure all ingredients are at room temperature before you begin for optimal mixing and texture. Now, let's focus on the sugar syrup, a crucial component for chewy nougat. In a heavy-bottomed saucepan, combine 2 cups of granulated sugar, 1 cup of light corn syrup, and 1/2 cup of water. Heat this mixture over medium heat, stirring gently until the sugar completely dissolves. Once dissolved, stop stirring and continue cooking until the syrup reaches precisely 250 degrees Fahrenheit on your candy thermometer. While your sugar syrup is heating, it's time to prepare the egg whites. In your stand mixer, whip 2 large egg whites until they form stiff, glossy peaks. Once the syrup reaches 250 degrees Fahrenheit, slowly and carefully pour it in a thin stream into the whipping egg whites. Continue beating on high speed for about 10 to 15 minutes until the mixture becomes very thick, glossy, and has cooled significantly. Finally, let's add the finishing touches to your chewy nougat. Gently fold in 1 cup of your favorite roasted nuts, such as almonds or pistachios, along with 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract or other flavorings. Quickly press the warm nougat into an 8x8-inch pan lined with parchment paper. Allow it to cool completely at room temperature for several hours, or even overnight, before cutting into pieces and enjoying your delicious homemade treat.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.